Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by finding the pages to remove, not guessing. Open the navigation pane to jump to the target quickly. Once done, turn on paragraph marks so you can see what's actually creating a blank page, section breaks, page breaks, or stray paragraph symbols. Make a quick copy of the file so you can revert if needed. Now place the cursor at the top of the unwanted page and prepare to select the content or break that's forcing it to exist. You'll now remove the actual elements that create the page. If you see a page break or section break, click it and press delete. Section breaks often preserve formatting, so make sure you understand the layout change. For blank pages caused by extra paragraph marks, select the repeated paragraph symbols and delete them. If content spans multiple pages, use Ctrl+G to jump to the page number, type \page to select the page, and then delete. Finish by verifying the layout. Double-click headers and footers to remove hidden objects that can force an extra page. Make sure paragraph spacing and page margins aren't creating a spillover. Adjust margins or reduce spacing where appropriate. If a stubborn blank page remains, inspect for section breaks that preserve an empty page. Remove or change the break type. As a last resort, copy the document's content into a new file to preserve formatting without the orphaned page. This often resolves hidden formatting issues fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.